Your new Gogoro Eeyo has arrived. Nice. Let's get you going. Everything you'll need is included. A few clean cuts and you're in. Carefully unpack your Eeyo and set the items aside. Keep the packaging in case you ever need to return or ship your bike. Place the rear wheel in the support. This will make it easier to assemble. Start by removing the two small boxes at the base. Inside, you'll find your portable charger, pedals, and the tools you'll need. Lay out the items for quick access as you go. To set your handlebars, simply rotate until they align with the frame. Release the front fork from its packaging and set gently on the ground. Using the 6mm hex wrench, unscrew the front axle bolt and remove from the protective sleeve. With the tread pattern facing forward, guide the front wheel into position. Be sure the disc fits smoothly and evenly into the brake caliper. Insert the axle bolt and tighten using the 6mm hex wrench until the bolt is flush to the frame. Next, attach the pedals. The right one is marked with an R. Tighten the threaded sleeve clockwise. Repeat the same with the left pedal, this time tightening counterclockwise. Using the 8mm hex wrench, tighten each pedal firmly in place. Remove the plastic cover to reveal the charging mount on the left axle. Now you're ready to power up. Your Eeyo is in hibernation mode and isn't yet able to turn on or function. Let's change that. To wake up your Eeyo, you'll need to charge it first to initialize the smart wheel. This won't take long. When you see a flashing LED on the hub, Eeyo is awake and ready to pair with your app. Using your smartphone, launch the Eeyo app and find the QR code below the axle. This will sync your app to your wheel and allow you to activate your personal Gogoro Eeyo account. The charger clicks neatly into the left axle. Always attach at a 90-degree angle with the handle straight down. Never twist or rotate the charger. This can damage the mechanism. Now you're ready for your first ride. Just tap to unlock and set your riding mode. When you see the live dashboard, you're good. The streets are about to get way more fun. Let's ride.